this topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and let's start the video. World Environment Day 2024 theme: land restoration, desertification and drought reliance. The 2024 day is focusing on land restoration, desertification and drought reliance. As a nation facing degradation, desertification and drought, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia vested in delivering solution. The kingdom is acting nationally and regionally through the Saudi Green Initiative and the Middle East Green Initiative, and it is acting globally, as we saw when the Saudi presidency of the G20 resulted in the adoption of the Global Land Restoration Initiative. World Environment Day on June 5th is a chance to protect the planet. This urgent day reminds us to be good caretakers of nature. It shows worrying facts like over 7 million people dying from pollution each year. But it also gives hope that together we can solve big problems. This special day inspires us to make chances, big and small, from recycling to stopping climate change. It renews our faith that people can come together for forest, oceans, and wildlife. By uniting on World Environment Day, we look forward to a future where nature and humans thrive side by side. Such actions and leadership are vital as face as worrying intensification of the triple planetary crisis: the crisis of climate change, the crisis of nature and biodiversity loss, and the crisis of pollution and waste. This crisis is placing the world ecosystems under assault. Billions of hectares of land are degraded, affecting almost half of the world pollution and threatening half of global GDP. Rural communities, smallholder farmers, and the extremely poor are hit hardest. But land restoration can reverse the creeping tide of land degradation, drought, and desertification. Every dollar invested in restoration can bring up to $30 in ecosystem services. Restoration boosts livelihood, lower poverty, and build reliance to extreme weather. Restoration increases carbon storage and slows climate change, restoring just 15% of land and halting further conservation could avoid up to 60% of expected species extinction. But we must also end the drivers of land degradation, drought, and desertification, such as climate change. Last year, temperatures records were sheltered. Much of the world felt the impact not just in heat, but in storms, floods, and drought. Restoring land without tracking climate change would be like giving with one hand and taking away with the other. So, G20 nations must show leadership across the whole climate agenda, as the Kingdom has done and continues to do on land restoration. This is real hope. Countries have promised to restore 1 billion hectares, an area larger than China. If they deliver, this will be huge. Through World Environment Day and through hosting the UN Convention to Combat Desertification Conference of the Parties this December, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia can build momentum and action towards these restoration goals: slow climate change, protect nature, and boost the livelihood and food security of billions of people around the world. And this topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel for your helpful videos latest update. Thanks for watching.